Meal prepping is trending now. If you're serious about weight loss, healthier food choices are a must. But if you're stuck at work or too busy to make a healthy lunch, dinner, it can be a significant roadblock for weight loss. Meal prepping can be one of the biggest factors helping you lose weight fast and hit your fitness goals, but it takes a little strategy to get it right and make meals that you'll continue to enjoy for more than a few weeks. Meal prepping benefits range from reduced cost and time spent to lower stress levels and more successful dieting. So in this video, we're gonna tell you 10 ways to meal prep for weight loss. The video is gonna be amazing, so make sure you stick till the end. Before starting the video, be sure to smash that like button and subscribe to Healthy People Movement to never miss out on any of our videos. Number 10. Stave off your morning hunger. Meal prepping isn't just for lunch or dinner, it can make a huge difference for people who have busy mornings too. Overnight oats are an excellent breakfast that can be prepared the night before, says Kelly Crickley, MSRD CDN. You simply mix oats with Greek yogurt and almond milk or any milk of your choice and store it in the fridge overnight. The next morning you can add nuts, nut butter, or fruit to boost the nutrition value and add flavor. Number 9. Adjust online recipes to create a healthier balance. Check out cookbooks or the internet for other make-ahead meal ideas. Don't be afraid to tweak the portions or recipes to fit the simple 4-step meal building strategy. For example, add extra veggies or serve a dish with a salad or cooked veggies on the side, reduce portions of carb-rich ingredients, and be sure to include helpful sources of protein and fat in each meal. Finally, keep in mind that successful weight management is a marathon, not a sprint. In other words, it's all about balanced lifestyle and consistency, not a quick fix. The 4-step tactic for how to build home-cooked meals is a major tool. Use it most days of the week to create meals that allow you to feel full, satisfied, and energized. And enjoy some planned splurges too. Doing so can help you shed excess pounds safely and boost your overall wellness, all while you remain healthy, happy, and in it for the long haul. Number 8. Food journal friendly. If you maintain a food journal to track what you eat, meal prepping is a fitting counterpart. It makes it very convenient to measure your food, track what you eat for the day. It's a particularly crucial habit that teaches you to stick to your diet regimen. Cleaner meals, healthy ingredients, and the ability to include a wide variety of foods make meal prepping a great ally to weight loss efforts. Research shows that to achieve sustainable weight loss, one needs to eat a variety that includes fruits, vegetables, greens, whole grains, and healthy fats. Number 7. Weighing your food. Been counting calories and still having trouble losing weight? Learning how to weigh your food using a food scale is the most accurate way to control your portions, even if you're using measuring cups and spoons. This still requires some eyeballing. If you're new to meal prep or need to be super strict about your calories, consider using weights instead. Minor differences can really add up, especially when looking at high-fat toppings, dressing, and cooking oil. For example, 1 ounce versus 1.5 ounces of cheese topping can look pretty similar, but the larger portion adds 43 calories, 3 grams of protein, and 3 grams of fat to your meal. This amount may seem minor, but if this happened twice a day, 5 days a week, you'd be adding almost 500 extra calories without realizing it. Number 6. Lunch. Meal prep makes taking lunch to work or school easy and appealing. You don't have to worry about rising early to chop or mix, spread, or slice your day's lunch before you leave. Pre-made meals can be stored in individual grab-and-go containers and are ready to go where you are. Meal prepping helps you avoid the temptations of takeout foods, ready-to-eat, or grab-and-go foods or processed foods, says Lisa Garcia, MSRDN LD. All of these can include more calories than you may want to eat and ingredients you may want to limit or avoid. Number 5. Customize meals to your needs. Whether you're trying to lose weight so you feel better or you need to lose weight because of a recent health diagnosis, meal prepping can help you match your diet goals, something that is very difficult to do with restaurant food. You can customize your meals and snacks to your tastes, preferences, and energy needs, Wilk says. If you live in a household where people are following more than one diet, think a paleo eater and a vegan cohabiting meal prep makes it doable to get 2 different meals to the table on busy nights and mornings. If you prep cauliflower, rice, and quinoa ahead with a mix of veggies, sauces, and proteins, everyone can build their own bowls and meals to enjoy. If nothing is prepped in advance, getting dinner on the table, let alone making customized meals, can feel like an impossible endeavor. Number 4. Try to eat cleaner meals. Pre-made foods are often filled with preservatives, salt, and other ingredients you wouldn't necessarily want to eat if you had the choice. Meal prep gives you that choice. When you meal prep, you inevitably eat cleaner, Wilk says. That's because you can control what you put on the plate and into your body. Whole foods like lean protein, grains, and fruits and vegetables are among the healthiest and cleanest foods you can eat. Meal prepping makes eating those convenient. Number 3. Meal prep improves variety. Research shows that eating a variety of fruits and vegetables every day can reduce your risk of chronic diseases and help you better manage your weight. When you have time to plan, shop, and cook in advance, you can be more intentional about what you put on your plate. You can make room for more of those vegetables, fruits, whole grains, and healthy fats. We always hear and say, as health experts, that eating a variety of foods is important. That's because when you switch up the fruits and vegetables that you're eating, the grains that you cook, or the proteins that you purchase, you are likely getting a wide variety of vitamins and minerals. Says Brearley E. Horton, MSRD, so if you put together a weekly meal plan that's varied in healthy food choices, you should get a good mix of nutrients. Number 2. Meal prep tones down temptations. When you've had a long day or have been stuck in a lengthy meeting, it's easy to convince yourself you should just run down the street and pick up a quesadilla or order in a bowl of mac and cheese. But if you have a healthy meal waiting for you in the fridge, you can defeat the temptation. Your ready-made meal is closer and faster. Meal prep takes the guesswork and potentially bad decisions out of food, says Monica Oslander Moreno, MSRDN LDN, founder of Essence Nutrition in Miami. When you're hungry at 12:30 p.m., you'll order or eat the first thing that crosses your plate. Having a prep meal cuts back on food anxiety and insecurity and ensures proper food decisions. A ready-to-eat meal also makes the wait in a takeout line or at the drive-thru less appealing. Choosing your meal ahead of time also removes the element of impulse purchasing, says Kelsey Peoples, MSRDN, owner of the People's Plate in the New Jersey. Even if you're having a particularly stressful day at work, you won't be tempted to grab a cheeseburger with fries if you worry about how you'll cook dinner if you already have your meal ready to eat. Research supports this concept that people have overall healthier meals when they pre-select their food in advance. Number 1. Stress of cooking. After a stressful day at work, the last thing you need to worry about is how you'll cook dinner when you don't even know what you have in the fridge. That's why many people turn to fast food or takeout. That's one less thing you have on your to-do list. Remove those worries by bulk cooking on the weekends or one day per week. This will eliminate the post-work worry and guarantee you won't be tempted by the grab-and-go options at the corner deli. If you're not a meal planner already, it might feel like a lot to get started all that time planning what you'll eat for a week and then shopping and prepping, Horton says. But if you were to add up the time spent every day thinking about what's for dinner and then making multiple grocery store trips each week, I bet doing it all in one fell swoop and before the week gets busy is gonna save your stress level. Let us know your opinion in the comment section below. This was all for today. Hope you liked the video. Don't forget to subscribe to Healthy People Movement. Stay safe, and we'll be back soon with another video.